Hello, my dear students. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression. Simply we call it AP. AP. So let us know first what is the definition of an AP or arithmetic progression. So an arithmetic progression is actually a list of numbers. What is an arithmetic progression? Is a list of number in which each term we obtain by adding a fixed number to the previous number except the first term. So first term we take any, and after then with the first term we add a fixed number, we get the second term, and that same fixed number we add with the second term, we get the third term. So let us see here in our example. Here example C, the definition of arithmetic progression I have given here, you can see from here, and see examples. I have given here one example. The first term I have taken 7, then 11, 15, 19, and so on, dot dot dot, we can get many more. So see, with the first term 7, this is the first term 7, if we add 4, we get what? 11. Again we add 4, we get what? 15. We add 4, we get what? 19. And we add 4, we will get next term is 23. Adding 4, we will get the next term will be 27. In this way, we can find so many terms in the arithmetic progression. Here see, we call the first term, the 7, we show by the letter A1. Okay, A1, or simply we can say A also. The second term we show by the letter A2. The third term we show by the letter what is A3, and the fourth term we show by the letter A4. In this way, the next term is shown by the letter A5 and so on. And the fixed number you see 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. That fixed number 4 is called common difference. Common difference CD is equal what? 4. And generally we get by subtracting 11 minus 7 is equal what? 4. Suppose I take one more example. Say here I write one more example. Say here is 5, then 3, then 1, then minus 1, and so on. If I take this example, look at the first term. What is the first term? The 5. Second term A2 is 3. The third term A3 is 1. And the fourth term A4 is minus 1. And what is the fixed number that we have added here? See here, 5 plus actually minus 2. With 5 we have added minus 2. 5 plus minus 2 is what? 3. 3 plus minus 2 is what? 1. 1 plus minus 2 is what? Minus 1. So here the common difference is what? Common difference CD is equal, we can say minus 2. Minus 2 in our second example. And what are A1, A2, A3, A4, etc.? A1 is 5, A2 is 3, A3 is 1, and A4 is minus 1. And similarly we can get A5, A6, A7, etc. So let us start question number 1 from exercise 5A. So we will learn this question 1 and question 2, a few sums. Look here, question 1. Write the first 3 terms of the sequence. The sequence, the list is given here. So we have to find the first 3 terms. The first 3 terms meaning we have to find what? A1, A2, A3. The first term is A1, second term A2, third term is A3. So let us take here, we have to take n equal See here, if I take n equal 1, I will get the first term, so a1. Then here also we put the value of n1. 1, here also put the value of n1 plus 2 and simplify this part. So see what will come. First we add this bracket part. So this is 1, 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So it is 3, and then 1 into 3 is what? 3. So the first term is 3. And the second term, we have to take value of n is what? 2. So a2 is the second term. So here see, we have to take n equal what? 2. Then here 2 plus 2. Value of n is 2 plus 2. So do the work of bracket first. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. 2 into 4. 2 into 4, what will come? 8. Let us do for third term. When we find third term, the value of n is what? 3. It is equal to, Cn is 3 and n is 3, put the value of n 3 plus 2. Then here is 3, then 3 plus 2 is what? 5. And 3 into 5 is what? 15. So the first three terms of this sequence are what? 3, 8 and 15. 3, 8 and 15. They are the first three terms of the sequence. Let us see number 2. It is given an is equal to n by n plus 1. So similarly, to find the first three terms, we take n equal 1. When we take n equal 1, it will become a1. a1 is equal, see, put here value of n1, here value of n1 plus 1. So here it is 1, then 1 plus 1, add here 2. So this is our first term. a1 is equal 1 by 2. And to get the second term, we take the value of n equal to 2. So here put here n is equal to 2, and then here n is equal to 2 plus 1. So what do we get here? This is 2, and add here 2 plus 1 is 3. And to get the third term, we have to take n equal 3. n equal 3. So here also we have to put n is equal to 3. So see here 3, then here is 3 plus 1. Put the value of n equal to 3. 3 plus 1, so we get 3 by 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So what are the first three terms? The first three terms of the sequence are 1 by 2, comma 2 by 3, comma 3 by 4. These are the first three terms of the sequence. Okay. Let us come to question number 2. Question number 2, same exercise 5a. Write the first four terms of the sequence whose n terms are. Here n terms are given. We have to write the first four terms. The same procedure. In this question, we have found first three terms. That means n equal to 1, 2, 3. And here n equal to, we have to find 1, 2, 3, 4 to get up to 4 terms. So the solution, see, for number 1. The solution for number 1, see, we take here, this is only written to n. Here is written whose n term. This is n term, so n term is shown by the letter an. An meaning is n term. So an is given what? 2 to the power n. So to find the first four terms, we have to take like before, n equal 1. a1 will come. This is 2, n is 1. See, 2, 1. 2 to the power 1 meaning is 2 only. And then to get the second term, a2. So 2, then n will be 2 here. Then 2 square is what? 4. And then a3. a3 will be 2 to the power 3. Okay, this 2 and value of n is equal to 3. So 2 cube meaning 2 multiply 3 times. See what will come? 2 into 2, 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. So when we find 2 cube, it is 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So this is 8. And then we have to find first 4 terms. That means up to a4. This is n equal 4. So this will be 2 to the power 4 is equal. See, write 2 4 times and multiply 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 2 16. Okay, so when we do 2 to the power 4 it is 16. So these are the first 4 terms of this. Okay, 2 4 8 16. So keep up to this today, then we'll see next day this 2 and 3. Number 2 is exactly same with this. You see here up to 3 terms, we have to find here up to 4 terms. That means a1 a2 a3 will be same with this, then you have to find a4. So when you find a4, then first 4 terms will come. Okay, this one cannot do because of the space not available. We'll see in the next class. Thank you, my dear students.